I got scammed by a brand that is approved by Shark Tank. So basically, I wanted a special dress for a special date, and this was my inspiration. I went online and searched for similar dresses, and I found this one on the Little Box. Now I have seen that particular episode in which all the 5 sharks invested in this brand. Then a lot of influencers were also promoting this particular brand. So I just went in there and purchased this particular dress. Now the cost of this dress was 1200. A little disappointment came when I had to pay the shipping fee also. I was like, as a business owner, I understand that the shipping fees are crucial and every business owner needs to pay it. But when you are selling a dress worth that much of money and you have that much of audience, I feel that amount should be hidden in the inventory only. Now as a customer, it doesn't feel good to pay a shipping price when you're already paying this much. That's okay. I was like, chalo, let it be. That particular dress, it took more and more than expected time. Third disappointment happens when I opened this parcel and see the dress. This was the dress that I ordered and this was the dress that I received. The material of this dress is as cheap as possible. I'm swearing on it. It looks like 200-300 rupee Georgette ka kapda. This was the color that I ordered and this is the color that I received. This particular dress is nowhere similar of what I have ordered. I decided to return the dress on the same day itself, only to realize they have no return policy. So now I went to their website to see what I can do and I discovered the exchange option. To my disappointment again, the exchange option only is for the size issue or if you have received a defective piece. To which again they charge an additional amount to return the same thing. And I realized if I exchange this, I'm going to receive this again. There is one thing I can do. I can just reach to the customer care and talk about it and ask them what they can do. To my surprise, their customer care is again. They have an WhatsApp assistant. So I tried to call at that particular number which was unavailable for all of the time. Their WhatsApp assistance is like there is an AI who keeps you bringing you to the same page that this is the existing order, we have noted, we will raise issue and XYZ, and after 6 p.m. there is a message that, oh, we are offline again. Tried reaching them through a lot of means of social media, but they do not revert back. To my surprise, when I reached YouTube to find out a solution that if I can do anything with this, there are hundreds of people already in the queue saying they got scammed by this particular brand. Since my money is gone, I'm never ever going to buy from them again, and I wish you also don't, so that you don't lose that hard-earned money of yours. And that's how